The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at best practice when you have an issue with a Google product and you maybe do the research and you end up in the help center for whichever product it is that you need help with. In this example, I'm using Google Account and I'm at the help center for Google Accounts, and I have the option to describe my issue and it'll surface articles that might be of support for me. I also have the option just to browse articles, and I can even go specifically into the categories for the particular things that I might be interested in. And so in my case, let's say I've forgotten my password and I need to reset it, and of course account recovery would then be the topic that I'm interested in. If I maybe don't understand it fully, or I need more individual support, or I need somebody to talk me through it, then I do have the option here to ask the help community. And let's actually do that. And here I am at the Google account help community. Now, the word community is very important here because basically, remember, this is user to user. I'm a user reading information that's been posted by other users. That means it's public. If I can find it, so can anyone else. And similar to the Help Center, there are featured posts. There are also trending posts, and I have the option to see categories. I can also view all posts within these particular categories. And failing all else, I can also ask the help community for further assistance, the one-to-one assistance that I was talking about. So because I've forgotten the password, here's one I prepared a little bit earlier, and you'll note that I've actually entered my email address here. Now this is the best practice, beside the fact that when you have an issue, the first thing you really should do is use the help center. There are very few unique problems. So the chances are high it's already been asked and it has already been answered. So the help center will help you with that, and obviously reading through the help community posts will also help with that. The second point is the posting of personal information, and my email address is classed as personal information, and it is best practice not to post it, and I will tell you for why. Let's just go ahead and try and post this. I'm not going to check similar content. I've already done that. I've not found the issue, or I'm not happy with the solutions that I found. I'm not going to give further details, and I'm going to go ahead and post. And what happens there is I'm being told, look, we found the following personal information in your message. This information will be to anyone who visits or subscribes to this notification for this post. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, post anyway. I don't want to do that because, quite honestly, think about it. If you're concerned about your security, online security, and you should be in this day and age, then the last thing you want is to give hackers the opportunity to harvest your email address from a public forum such as this. So no, I'm not going to post that. I'm going to edit it out. The other reason why you shouldn't post your email address, either in text or in image, by the way, so don't be tempted to post an image of your email address or your ID card for that matter, or your bank details or your old password, etc., etc., is that if you do, the chances are extremely high that your post will be removed for containing personal information. And then you won't get any help at all. So thank you for listening, and goodbye.